Hi, ladies. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so happy to be here to meet Sita, Devina, and Harsha today. It's really wonderful from different place, different country, different natives, in different language we are, in different timing also. Devina is at early morning 4 o'clock, and Sita is at evening 4 o'clock, isn't it, Sita?
It's 5 after 5 now.
Five, okay. So we are in Harsha is from Seattle. She is also 2 hours before me. So we are in different time zone and we are excited to get together and talk about the digital business. Hi, I'm Saji from Texas, USA. I'm originally from Kerala, India. Now I am settled in USA. I am professionally a registered nurse, worked for more than 3 decades. Now I am a retired nurse, a grandmother, and a proud entrepreneur. My strongest why to start this business at this age is to have a financial freedom in my so that in my golden years I should not depend on anyone else. I hope that my God will fulfill my desire, and because I could join this business because there is no age restriction, and there is no age restriction to get income. As long as God gives us strength, we can work. And secondly, it is flexible, so I can do my household events and I can travel, and also I can run my business side by, because our automation works for us. So if you all are interested, please contact any one of us. We will be here to help you. uh, we'll be with you in your journey. Thank you. ഞാൻ സജിയാണ് അമേരിക്കയിൽ നിന്ന്. ഞാനൊരു നേഴ്സാണ്. ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ റിട്ടയർഡ് നേഴ്സാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഗ്രാൻഡ് മദറാണ്. ഞാൻ അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഇപ്പം ഞാനൊരു ബിസിനസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. അത് നിങ്ങൾക്കും പ്രയോജനമാകുമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഞാൻ ഈ ബിസിനസ്സിൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തതിൻ്റെ ഉദ്ദേശം പ്രായമാകുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ആരിലും ആശ്രയിക്കാതെ നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം ഇതിൽ ജീവിക്കുവാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. പിന്നെ ഇതിൽ ഫ്ലെക്സിബിലിറ്റി ഉണ്ട്. എവിടെ വേണമെങ്കിലും യാത്ര ചെയ്യാം. എല്ലാ ഇവൻസിലും ഫാമിലി ഇവൻസിലും നമുക്ക് പങ്കുകൊള്ളാം. അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ നമുക്ക് ഈ ബിസിനസ്സും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. നമുക്ക് ഓട്ടോമേഷൻ 24 hours ഉണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്കൊരു ഭാരമില്ല. സോ ഇത് നല്ല ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ ആരെയും കോണ്ടാക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ ഞങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഹെൽപ്പായി സഹായിക്കും. താങ്ക് യു. ഹായ് സീത.
Oh, hi, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, everyone, as we are all in different time zones. It's evening where I am now. My name is Sita. I'm a mom and I'm a grandmother as well. So pleased to be on this platform with these lovely ladies that I've never met before. I'm just meeting them today for the first time on this screen. Thank you so much, Sajay, for inviting me. I'm an nurse by profession and I'm a digital business owner. I'm originally from Zimbabwe, but now I live in the UK with my family. The reason why I started this business is because I've done my nursing career for nearly 27 years now, and I'm reaching my golden years and I'm thinking of retirement. And for me to start this is building my backup plan because I've seen quite a lot of my colleagues, they retire and keep coming back. That means there's a big reason why people are doing this. Everything has been so expensive in our life, so people cannot afford to live without income. So this one is my side hustle for now. When I've retired, that would be my main hustle. I want to continue to earn an income, having my freedom as well, and spending more time with my family because in this business, there is that flexibility. I don't have to go to any job. I can do it even sitting in my kitchen as I am now. My business is running in the background, so I can take it anywhere, wherever I go. And even when I'm with my family, spending my time, my quality time, my business will be running. So this is the best business anyone can do, or it's the best side hustle anyone can do, rather than, going out and looking for another job that will take you away from your family. This business keeps you with your family. Thank you so much, Saji.
You're welcome. Hi, Devina. You can introduce yourself.
કેમ છો બધા કોઈ મારું નામ દેવીના પટેલ મેં ઓરિજિનલી ફિજીની અમારે ઓકલેન્ડ ન્યુઝીલેન્ડમાં રહેતી છે મારું મેં એક સપ્લાય ચેઇન સેક્ટરમાં કામ કરું એઝ અ ફાઇનાન્સ પ્રોફેશનલ મારું એક ડિજિટલ ઓનલાઈન બિઝનેસ ચાલે આજે મેં જરાક મારું ફ્લેશબેક આપવા મારું લાઈફનું કેમ કે લાઈક એ મારું જર્નીનું જરાક હાઇલાઇટ્સ છે જ્યારે મેં નાનલી હતી મારું ફાધર ગુજરી ગયેલા મારું મમ્મીનું પાસે ફોર્મલ એજ્યુકેશન નથી એ ભણેલી નથી ને 3 જણને છોકરાઓને મોટા કરવાના તો એ બહુ સ્ટ્રગલ કર્યું તો જ્યારે મેં મોટી થયું મેં વેલ્યુ કર્યું મારું ટાઈમ મારું એનર્જી મારું એફર્ટ્સ આ એક્સપિરિયન્સ મારે મુશ્કેલમાં હેલ્પ કર્યું પોતાનું મિસ્ટેક્સનું જાણવાનું સમજવાનું શીખવાનું બીજા બધા મારું જેટલા રિલેટિવ્સ છે એલ્ડર્સ છે એ લોકોનું એક્સપિરિયન્સથી જોવાનું ને જાણવાનું પોઝિટિવ ક્રિટિસિઝમ જે કેટલા નેગેટિવ મને બોલે મેં હારેથી લઈને આગળ બળવાનું મારું નાનું ઉંમરથી મને મોટી થવાનું હતું કેમ કે મારું જ્યારે બાબુજી ગુજરી ગયેલા મારું શું થયેલું કે મારું એજ્યુકેશન એક માઇન્ડસેટ હતું કે મારું મુશ્કેલ મારું ગરીબી મને શકે હટાય ને કોઈને વિશ્વાસ નહીં કરવાનો મારું માઇન્ડસેટ નાનલેથી બહુ પોઝિટિવ હતું મેં મારું બિગ રીઝન કેમ મેં આ ડિજિટલ ઓનલાઈન બિઝનેસ કરતી છે ઇઝ પર્સનલી મારું ફેમિલીનું કેમ કે મારું 9 to 5 કોર્પોરેટ જોબ્સ મને એટલું પૈસા નહીં આપે કેમ કે મેં સોલ બ્રેડ વિનર છે મારું પેરેન્ટ્સ અમારે ફિજીમાં રહેતા છે બટ હું થાય કે આઈ એમ નોટ એબલ ટુ સેન્ડ મની બેક હોમ કેમ કે ન્યુઝીલેન્ડમાં હું છે કોસ્ટ ઓફ લિવિંગ હાઈ છે રિસેશન મારેલું છે ને મારું સેવિંગ્સમાં મારું ફેમિલી અમરે ડીપ કરતા છે તો આ બિઝનેસમાં મને ફ્લેક્સિબિલિટી સારું લાગ્યું મને રિટાયરમેન્ટ મેં રિટાયર થવા માંગુ ઓર બીજું મેં કોઈના સારું કામ નહીં કરવા માંગુ આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ વર્ક ફોર માય સેલ્ફ એન્ડ ગ્રો આ મારું જર્ની છે મારું આ ડિજિટલ ઓનલાઈન બિઝનેસમાં બેક ટુ યુ સાચી ઇન ટુ ધ સ્ટુડિયો
Thank you. Hi, Harsha. You can introduce yourself.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Harsha, originally from Gujarat, India, but living in Seattle, Washington from years. Actually, I have two grown-up children. My background, actually, I always had a traditional business, and notary public. But due to my health, I had to let it go 2 years ago. But now I recover from my health and also have a beautiful grandson last year. So I was looking something to earn and also keep up my appointment. So did not want it to do traditional business. I never did work for anyone before. I always had traditional business, but now I just wanted to keep up for my appointment and what I miss for my kids, all milestone, traveling, family time. I don't want it to miss anymore. So I was looking something flexible. So one day I was scrolling on the Facebook and I came across with this business. And I'm not techie actually, and I'm very skeptical when it comes to online business. But I says, what I have to lose? Let me check out. But this business is so amazing. Give training, all tools you need, video plus help from the global community. So today I'm in this digital business and I proudly says I'm digital business owner. What given me flexibility and time for my appointment and time for my grandkids was I missed for my kids. So That is my biggest why I am sitting with today with wonderful ladies from all over the world. And we starting actually from today, first episode. So whoever's watching, thank you so much. And anybody interesting for what we do and more information, please get back with us, any of us, and please message us. And we glad to send you any information, and we're going to bring every different topic every week at the same time, same day. So we hoping to you guys, all of whoever's watching, our follower, viewer, will watch us and get us more inspired. So yes, મારું નામ હર્ષા છે. હું ઓરિજિનલી ફ્રોમ ગુજરાત, ઇન્ડિયા, અને ઘણા વર્ષોથી હું સિયાટલ વોશિંગ્ટનમાં રહું છું. મારું એકચ્યુઅલી મારે બે છોકરાઓ છે, ગ્રોન અપ, અને હું મારું બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ છે ટ્રેડિશનલ બિઝનેસ હતું મારે, અને અત્યારે હું નોટરી પબ્લિકમાં સર્વ કરું છું. પણ મારા હેલ્થના કારણે મારે જવા દેવો પડ્યો હતો 2 વર્ષ પહેલા. પણ હવે મારું હેલ્થ સારું થઈ ગયું છે, થેન્ક્સ ગોડ. પણ હું કશું શોધતી હતી તો એક દિવસ મને ફેસબુકમાં હું સ્ક્રોલ કરતી હતી તો મને આ બિઝનેસ જોવા મળ્યો. હું ટેકી નથી, મારી ઉંમર પણ હવે વધી ગઈ છે તો હું શીખી નથી શકતી કોઈ નવી વસ્તુ. પણ આ પ્લેટફોર્મે મને બધું જે જોઈતું હતું, ટ્રેનિંગ, ટૂલ, વિડીયો, ગ્લોબલ કોમ્યુનિટી, એ બધું જ આ બિઝનેસમાં છે. તો આજે હું આ બિઝનેસ કરી રહી છું. તો તમારે લોકોને કોઈ પણ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ હોય આ બિઝનેસ શાનો છે, શું કરી રહી છું, બધાને જાણવું હોય તો પ્લીઝ પ્લીઝ તમે કોઈ પણ મને મેસેજ કરજો અને હું તમને વધારે ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપીશ અને હું હેલ્પ કરીશ. થેન્ક યુ ફોર લિસનિંગ એવરીવન. નમસ્તે.
Hi. Yes, yes, yes. So we had a nice chat here. As Sita said, after retirement, people are asking for going back to their work because they don't have a retirement fund sufficient because the cost of living is so high. And even Devina said she is supporting her family, she is working, and she can support the family well so that the cost of living will not affect them. So these are the wonderful reasons. Even me, in golden years, I want to have a freedom, financial freedom. Even Harsha, she is, even though she was sick, she became all right and she is able to do the business and also able to attend all the appointment dates. There is no restriction, no problem at all. So it is a wonderful opportunity we are trying to introduce to you all. This is the first episode. We will be, as Harsha said, we will be coming every week at the same time. So please watch us and uh, try to log into our website, individual websites, whoever you know, and we will be guiding you till the very end. So, all the best. Thank you very much for listening to us. Bye.
Right. Thank you
Right.
everyone. Thank you.